We will be using our PQR-STU strategies to complete a close read of graffiti, art, or crime. Now, the P wants us to preview, label it nonfiction or fiction. Now, we know that all of these texts are going to be nonfiction. The Q wants us to analyze each question. So let's flip over. We don't have any questions labeled, but we're going to read it. And as we read, I might go ahead and highlight some stuff that I know that I need to answer. Graffiti is a positive way to embrace our inner feelings. Graffiti should be displayed on the streets because it is a wonderful way to express yourself. It can bring the community together, and it can create a bright future for artistic people. Don't you think all people should be able to be given a chance to reach their full potential? Firstly, graffiti is the perfect way to convey emotions. It can help people release feelings which have been proven to reduce and prevent mental health illness and depression. Everyone has the right to be happy and healthy, and graffiti could be a solution to someone's endless suffering. Secondly, doing licensed graffiti can draw the community together by combining the forces of art to brighten up our gloomy neighborhoods. Graffiti is quirky, stylish, colorful, and bold. Anyone who has seen these incredible works of art would agree. Thirdly, graffiti could kickstart a lifetime of success and possibly fame. Many street graffiti artists struck fame from this small hobby, which became their career. Doesn't everybody deserve the chance for a lifetime of true happiness and the opportunity to showcase their amazing talents? It is obvious that these wonderful creations should be endless, should be out in our community for all to see. The reasons are endless. Graffiti can help us to express our emotions. It links communities and people, and it can create a bright future for our talented local artists. Remember, artistic graffiti is an extremely difficult thing to do, and these works of art should be appreciated, not shunned. Now, as a little clue, I have labeled 1, 2, 3 in the first paragraph, the 3 points. Now, I will paragraph and read the last sentence. Don't you think all people should be given a chance to reach their full potential? So this seems pretty positive, but if we look over here at the very first thing that I highlighted, graffiti is a positive way to embrace our inner feelings. 1, 2, 3, the 3 different arguments. If you look, this is paragraph point 1, this is paragraph point 2, and this is paragraph point 3. So paragraph point 1 is talking about mental health and emotions. Paragraph 2 is talking about communities and being together. Paragraph 3 is talking about artists and their careers. So these will help you figure out which point to the next page. And look at the questions one at a time. Question 1. Is the author for or against graffiti? How do you know this? So you're going to have to answer 2 parts of this question. 1, is the author for or against? And 2, how do you know this? Question 2, what 3 arguments does the author use in the writing? Question 3, how does a reader suggest that graffiti could reduce mental illness? Question 4, what are 3 different persuasive tools that the author uses? Question 5, how does the author say that graffiti could brighten up the neighborhood? Question 6, how could graffiti help someone's career? Question 7, what audience do you think this text is aimed at? Question 8, list 8 powerful words that are in this text. Now, question 9 has 2 parts. Do you agree with the author's opinion? And you need to answer in the second sentence, why or why not. And question 10, why does the author mean these works of art should be appreciated, not shunned? Now, R is read. We're going to read the entire selection and answer any labeled questions along the way. Answer question 1. Is the author for or against graffiti? How do you know? Let's go back and look at the, so we can say the author is for graffiti. I know this because the author states graffiti is a positive way to express oneself. Now, I already told you that I labeled, practically you have number 2 answered, and number 3 to answer which paragraph. This has to do with the neighborhood, number 5. Number 6 has to do with careers, and number 3 has to do with mental illness. So please complete the rest of the answers on your own. Thank you.